Hello, welcome back, everybody. Okay, anyways, so I'm using my primers, my Professional and my Neutrogena Shine Control, and I'm just rubbing this into my face. I already had my face moisturized, so yeah, and this is my pore filler. I just like it because it's like it doesn't cover all my pores, but it's like it covers most of it, and so yeah. So this is just basically a recap of how I do my brows. My color is in Anastasia Dip Brow is dark brown. I actually posted like an in-depth video of me like going over how I do my brows, but really this is just like a fast-forwarded version because I didn't want to like talk too much about it because I already had a video about it. You feel? So basically the same thing now. I'm just gonna conceal them and make them look super like sharp and fleek, bruh. I feel like I haven't used that word in decades. Like fleek. Who even am I? Okay, anyways, so yeah, I'm using a flat brush to do this. This is actually a makeup, no, not a makeup, and a painting brush, like for my nails. But I took this out of my nail kit and I put it for my brows because it's like the only one that I really use. I don't like the flat brushes that are wider because I feel like I can't be precise enough. Okay, so quick story time. Like in the winter, y'all don't understand how light I get. Like I'm using a yellow color corrector. Yellow color corrector. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Like that's how light I be getting. In winter it's crazy, and then in summer like I really can't even find my color because I'm so dark. Like my color ranges from like yellow to like pretzel looking. Like it's crazy. So that's why I don't really use foundation for my go-to look because I can't really find my right color. And so for concealer, I'm using the same one that I used for my brows, which was the Maybelline Master one. And then I'm using the LA Girl color in Toffee. This color right here, the one I'm contouring with, is my summer color. Like, like that's what I'd be using for like, for my face. Like, and I'm using that for contour right now. Like, does that? Oh my gosh, that's wild. I'm sorry. I'm like. Okay, so while I was recording this, my sister comes in and I'm telling her I'm recording, and she goes, "I don't care." I almost flipped, so that's why I made that face. But I was livid. I was like, "What?" During the winter, I get really like dry. So for my go-to look, I didn't feel the need to set my face with translucent powder because it's so dry. So instead, I just did it with one that has color. So I'm using the Dolce & Gabbana one in color 100, I think it was. And just setting my entire face with that. And then taking this blush by MAC, I forgot the name of it. I'm literally only tapping into it once and like shaking off the dust, the actual product, because it's really like pigmented and super pink. And then for highlight, I'm using the Smashbox Illuminator one. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. My aunt gave this to me a while back and I never used it. But then just 3 days ago, I used it and I was so shocked. Like I was like, wow, like I really slept on this product. Because I wanted a little bit more brighter highlight, a little bit more blending, I'm using the Milani Fantastic Highlight, I think it was. And I'm just going over this where I previously had done it. I like my nose to look really like the most like blinding. So that's why I went back in with a different highlight after this. And I put it on again. And then I'm using the Big Fatty mascara by Urban Decay. My aunt just got me this one and it's literally like holy grail. Like wow, it's amazing. Like it gets, my lashes are super small, so it gets each one and it makes it look so long. And like I've like cried before and it hasn't like smeared. So I'm like, wow, like, it doesn't say waterproof, but like maybe it's long lasting proof. I don't know. And then I'm using this, what was it? Anastasia lip stick. This is from their lip kit. My other aunt got me this for my birthday as well. And I'm just applying this, overlining my lips a tad. And I'm just gonna set my face with the NYX matte setting spray. And I like to spray this, fan myself a bit, but while it's still kind of damp, I like to go back in with some of my highlight and just like put a little bit more on the areas where I want it to really like pop, because my face is still kind of wet. And so I just fan my face again, and huzzah, that's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Love is on our side.